Hello, I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. And in this particular lesson, this is a question that I want us to discuss together. So even as I teach you this wonderful topic, make sure you follow me clearly and attentively. So this is periodic table chemistry O levels. So now we've got a question that is saying that chlorine has two isotopes. As you can see, this is an isotope here, and this one that is here is an isotope. Then the first question here, it is telling us to say, define the term isotope. They want us to define the term isotope. Look at these two. Are you able to see some differences? Oh yes, we are able to see some differences. There is proton number, same. Have you seen? So I want to teach you how you get to define an isotope in an easy way. So proton number, same. The other name for proton number, it is called atomic number. So mass number, they are just the same. The other name for mass number is called neutron number. So what is an isotope? An isotope is an element of the same particle with the same number of protons but different mass number. You are done. So what you are explaining is that having same number of protons but different what mass number or neutron number, it is just one and the same. So same proton number but different mass number or neutron number, that is an isotope. An element of the same particle with the same number of protons but different mass number or neutron number. So now we've got another question here that's saying state the number of neutrons of the following isotopes. They want us to state the number of neutrons that are in this isotope and even in that isotope. How then do we find the number of neutrons? You just say mass number minus proton number. So you just say mass number to this one. You say it is what? 35 minus 17. 35 minus 17. What answer are you going to get? You are going to get 18 as your what? As your answer. This is the answer you are going to get. For this one, it is 37. So you say 37 minus 17. What answer are you going to get there? You are going to get a 20 like this. Have you seen? These are the answers that you need to get and understand. So this is the number of neutrons, and this also is the number of neutrons in this isotope, this one in that isotope. This is what you are supposed to do. These are some of the things you need to get and understand. And don't forget the way chemistry is. These questions came, so you don't expect same questions to come in your exams. That is the reason why I advise my students to understand what I get to teach, the notes and the question, the concept behind these questions. So you may have a question where they ask you to say, find the number of protons and electrons. You now discover that whenever you are talking about a neutral atom, the number of protons equals to the number of what? Electrons. These two are the same whenever you are talking about a what? A neutral atom. Proton number and electron number, they are just the same. So now, we now move on to the next question. Give the formula of the chlorine ion. What is an ion? An ion is a charged particle. So an ion is a what? Is a charged particle. So whenever we are talking about an ion, we are talking about a charged particle or a group of charged particles. This is what you need to understand. So they want us to write an ion for chlorine. So to be specific, chlorine is in group 7 of the periodic table. We know and understand that those that are in group 7 of the periodic table, they gain electrons for them to be stable. To be specific, they just gain 1 electron for them to be stable. So meaning that for chlorine, which is like this, it is in group 7, meaning it gains 1 electron. So gaining attracts a negative charge. So this is how chlorine is. But when we go to sodium, sodium is in group 1, so it has plus there. Meaning this one it is losing 1, this one it is gaining 1. So this is the answer, just like this. They want you to write the chlorine ion. You just write it like this. So this is the answer. You even put a negative there. So this is what you are supposed to do. These are some of the things you need to get and understand. I guess we are moving together, isn't it? You are able to get and understand what I'm teaching you. So you don't expect same questions to come. You don't need to master this. You need to know such that if another question was to come, you are going to answer it. So now, we now go to the last question. Explain why the relative atomic mass of chlorine on the periodic table is not a whole number. Why is it like that? So it is because of the existence of different stable isotopes that are having different what? Masses. So these ones are stable isotopes and they are having what? Different masses. This is the major reason. So you now discover that that answer that is there is just found by getting the average of these what? Isotopes. You get the mass there, then we find their average. Have you seen? So this is the reason why it is not a whole number. Because it gets to have some stable existence of stable isotopes with different relative atomic masses. Have you seen? So this is the answer you are supposed to put there. So this is where we are going to end from. Thank you so much for following me up to this time. Those of you that are viewing this page or channel, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to like and comment. Let me know where you are watching me from. I might not be able to reply to each and every comment, but the sure thing is that I go through the comments. I get to be motivated by the comments that I get to receive from you, my viewers, my students, and those of you yet to join us. Thank you so much. We do mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, English language in law under Aristonite Academy. This is Zambia. We've started 2025 GCE tuitions and the internal candidates. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Those of you that are willing to start, my number, you WhatsApp me on my number, which is 0971 06 6747. 0971 06 6747 plus 260971 0667. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.